Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and fine. Students, 11th chapter Formatting in Microsoft Word revision is going on. Today we are on the topic of change text case. Okay, how we can change the text case. Students, you can see here sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, toggle case. There are five types of cases that we can change in Microsoft Word. In sentence case, this option changes the first character in the sentence in uppercase letters and the rest in lowercase. Suppose you are writing, this is my book. This is my book. In this sentence, it will capitalize T of this. This. It will capitalize only this T. This option changes the first character in the sentence in uppercase and the rest in lowercase. Now it is clear? This is my book. All the letters will be in lowercase except this T. Okay. Next, lowercase. This option changes all the characters in lowercase. Okay. This case, if we apply it, all the characters will be in the lowercase. This is my book. All are in small letters. Okay. All are in small letters like that. Okay. Next is uppercase. This option changes all the characters in uppercase, means all the letters will be in the capital letters. Okay. Next, capitalize each word. Capitalize each word. This option changes the first character of each word in uppercase and rest in lowercase. You can see example here. Capitalize. C is capitalized, E is capitalized, W is capitalized, but other words are small letters. Okay, this is the example. Next, toggle case. This option changes the uppercase to the lowercase and the lowercase to the uppercase. It changes the letters that are capital in the small and that are small in the capital. Just like that, always our first letter is capital. It changes first letter into small and others are in capital. Here also capitalize. C is small and other are in capital letters. Okay. Some example are also given here to understand this. Better today than tomorrow. In this only B is capitalized, other are small. So it will be in sentence case. It will be in sentence case. Better today than tomorrow. All are small letters. So it is lower case. Okay. Better today than tomorrow. All are in capital letter. That means it is uppercase. Okay. B is capital, T is capital, T capital and T capital, means every letter of every word is, first letter of every word is capital. that means this is capitalize each word. Okay. Now it is opposite of that. The capital letters are converted into small letters and small letters are converted into the capital letters. It is the toggle case. Okay. Now we will learn how we can do this. Okay. First step, select the text that you want to assign a new case. You have to select the text. Suppose you want to select love is life. Then you have to select it. Second step, click on the home tab. Third step, in the font group, click the change case icon. Here you have to click the change case icon. Fourth step, click the case that you want to use. After that you have to select your required case and then apply. Okay. The selected case appears, the selected text appears in the new case. You can see this is uppercase, love is life. Now we will learn text alignment. What is a text alignment? Alignment in the text is used to improve the appearance and setting of the document. To improve the setting and appearance, we use this alignment. Okay. Word offers you 4 different types of alignment. Now we will learn what is alignment. We use it for the appearance and setting. Okay, it's clear. But what it is? Align text left. This option aligns the text to the left margin. Okay. Suppose this is a screen of your laptop. Okay. You want to be, your text will be in left margin side. So when you select this, your text will appear only this side, means left side. All text will be, this is my book, my name is Rahul, my father name is like that. Means your text will be on the left margin. Next is alignment text right. This option aligns the text to the right margin. If you selected this, align text right, then your text will be on the right margin. Just like that, your text will shifts to the right. Okay. If you select the center case, this option centers the text between the left and right margins. Your text will be in the center, not in left, not in right, in the center. Okay, middle of the screen. Just like that, you can see here also center case. Okay. Justify means no left, no right, only your text will in the both side. The option aligns the text with both the left and right margins. Means as usual, as you are writing, your cursor is moving forward. When you typing, continue like that. Okay, no left, no right, no center, as usual. Okay, both on both side your text will be on the both left and right margins. Next, left aligned text is a default setting. Default setting is a pre-selected option adopted by a computer program. Means you not needed left alignment because it is default already set. If you have changed, after that you have to select it. Now how we can do this? To align the text, select the text that you want to align. Second step, click the home tab on the ribbon. Third step, in the paragraph group, click the desired type of alignment. You can see here, word align the text. Okay. Align text left, align text right, center, okay, justify. Now it is clear. This is in the center, this is left, this is right, and this is justify. Now applying a background color. How we can apply a background color we will see here. First step, click the page layout tab on the ribbon here. Second step, in the in the page background group, click the page color button. You can see here, you have to click on it. Point the color from the list. You have to point the color. Live preview feature of Word displays the sample color at which you point the mouse. Okay. Fourth step, click the desired color. The selected color appears on the background. You have seen here. Okay students, I think this much is enough for today. If you have any doubt, any query, then you can ask to me. Okay, bye bye, take care.